Hello, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing okay. So before we dig into this final thing, the one you're seeing today, I'm going to give you a brief background about these impombos. They are called impombo. Yeah, these are roasted banana, undergrowing banana leaves. The young one, they bring those young banana leaves, then they roast them. Yeah, they roast them, then they make impombo. Though me, I'm making a LUWOMBO in the box today, but otherwise these are traditional things in Baganda from Uganda. Baganda, it's a tribe. Yeah, so you can see these ones mainly in functions. If you're going for a traditional function, yeah, these are kind of things. Or in Baganda homes, yeah, these are kind of things you will be seeing, but they are so yummy. The taste is good, the smell, oh my god, the scent will be make you to be wanting. They can be made in different ways: dry fish, chicken, roasted chicken, beef, guineas, anything you want. You can put anything you want. Like me today, I'm going to be putting tilapia, fresh one. So yeah, I have told you that one. Yeah, I'll be putting tilapia. Cooking is art. Yeah, it is art. It's not like work that you have to master this. So these are my pombos. So to keep them here, I'm living in Dubai. To keep them here, you have to frozen them, to put them in the freezer. Yeah, because there is no way I'm going to be getting fresh one like back home where we're going in the market and you just get a fresh one. So I just keep them in the freezer. When I want to use them, I remove them like 30 minutes before, then I'll start to use them. So yeah, but for me today, I'm putting it in the box. That thing, that small pan you're seeing, it's called a box in Uganda. So these are the ingredients I will be using: my fresh veggies, my tomato paste, and my garlic paste mixed with what is mixed in that. Yeah, we shall get to know. But yeah, this is tilapia, normal tilapia. Yeah, so I'll put my tomatoes, then the green pepper, green, red, and some onions. Onion, it's a must. Cooking, maybe me I'm putting, you'll be like, and you say me I'm putting maybe too much. For you, just putting like this. That's why sometimes I don't see things on social media, because someone will be cooking something and put like 10 spices, of which you cannot even manage to get. If you're cooking, cook in your own way. Yeah, because in Uganda you will find no one will put this garlic paste, the one I'm going to be using, garlic and ginger. Yeah, I have put some chili. Yeah, I'm trying to adopt myself with chili. Then this is Reiko. Reiko is from Kenya, but we have it in Uganda. Then I'll be putting salt. It is obvious. When you're putting salt in fish, you have to put maximum amount, your maximum, because fish takes long to obtain salt. Yeah, that is a unique one. So that's why you're seeing me putting too much. Don't say, salt was too much. Yeah, fish, it's not easy to put a correct amount in fish. In fish. Yeah, and this is my curry powder. So I have told you for the spices, put what you have. If you're cooking, if for me, I have my spices, the one I can live without this curry powder. But if I have tomato paste and I have garlic and onion, I can cook very well. I can present food on the table, seriously. So every person who is cooking, you always have a signature one. And yeah, this is the paste, the garlic with it's mixed with ginger. But garlic and ginger, my friend, it's not having that smell. I always put, because there is ginger, then I put the fresh one always. Yeah, I always put the fresh garlic. Yeah, and yeah, we good to go. And if you're putting water, don't put like too much water in fish. Fish always develop water by itself, so you have to put a minimum, less water. And the veggies also will develop. Remember, this one we are going to be steaming, so it will evaporate. And I don't know about science. Oh my god. Yeah. But you're getting to know me. So guys, I have told you what we're making today. It's from Baganda tribe from Uganda. You'll get everything. You'll get everything. I'm also a Muganda, but in Muganda, this one. So I'm putting some coconut oil for me because I like coconut oil. But in Baganda, they don't put anything oil. It's supposed to be steamed. everything has to be natural without anything. Boil. So here I was done. Yeah, this LUWOMBO, I think the one I have not told you, it can be made like alone without the box. You can put it in that leaf, tie very well, and put direct in the saucepan. But for me, I was using a box because this is fish, this is tilapia. I don't know how it's going to be, but one day I'll make for you the direct one, the one which is famous in my country. Yeah, and yeah, for the water, you have to make sure water is down below the box. Yeah, there is a possibility when it's boiling it will go inside that box, so you have to make sure it's like that. So I'm using my wooden sticks. I got them from Uganda. Then I will do like this. In my country, you'll find they'll put some banana leaves, they'll put buvera when they are covering everything. No, here we just steaming like this, the way it is. Yeah, guys. So here I'll just cook for only like 1 hour, because this is fish is taking it doesn't take too much time to cook. Yeah, it is the simplest thing you can cook, sauce you can cook. And yeah, guys, after 1 hour, as you know, video everything was ready. Everything was ready to be eaten. Look at this, guys. This is boiled. If you are a soup person, I recommend this for you. The scent that will be coming from these leaves, everything is the way you get a foil paper and you steam, you put your chicken or beef and you steam. This is the same way you can do it. Okay, and if you go to Uganda, please try LUWOMBO. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you so much for those people who are subscribing. Please like this video, give it 50 likes. Until I see you again, of course I had to pair it with rumonde, plantain and rice. Okay guys, bye bye, see you next time.